A very good morning to all the Indians all over the world. This is Shakuntala Singh Bhardwaj from Air Force Station Gorakhpur and from Vibrations Private Limited. This is a reading, timeless reading for the divine masculine, what his divine feminine is thinking about him, what reciprocation she is expecting from him. So the first card in the queue is Six of Swords, which is a card of journey. The second card in the line is Five of Cups, which is a card of disappointment. The third and the last card she is expecting from her divine masculine is Page of Cups. She is expecting, see the card well, she is expecting a proposal. She is expecting him to reciprocate. She is expecting him to pass a judgment in her favor. She is expecting him to come out of this daydreaming pattern and take a stable action. But it seems that the man in the picture is having very immature energies. The man in the picture is having very immature energies. How can he simplify this? How can he simplify this? He has to behave like an emperor. He has to behave like an emperor. What she should be doing to simplify the matter? The Star. A lot of healing of both of you is very much required. You need to do a kind of communication with each other. What the divine energy should be doing? Six of Cups. Healing. Both the cards, the Star and the Six of Cups, both the cards want you to meet. Go and meet the lady. Go and meet the lady. You will see certain rules also. One rule which can simplify the matter. See this well. This is divine union. This is divine union. So the second card, that is Star, the third card, Six of Cups, and this, this is called synchronicities of events. The divine masculine is requested to meet the lady. The divine masculine is requested, divinely guided to go and have a communication and connection with the divine feminine. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. We will meet again. Till then, I respect your privacy, you respect mine. Have a wonderful day ahead. Life is all about understanding the decisions scripted for you. Life is all about understanding and respecting your journey. Life is a game, life is a challenge. Accept the challenge, play the game. Play the game of meeting the lady. A divine union and healing is signified. Take care, wonderful day ahead, wonderful week ahead, till we meet again.